How to create a UnionBank online profile using your Citi-branded account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about creating a UnionBank online profile using your Citi-branded account. So now let's get started. Moving on has never been easier. So to get started, you have to follow the simple steps. You have to download the UnionBank online application first from the Google Play Store. And once you do that, click on Open. Now, once you launch the application, you have to create a profile using your Citi-branded account. This will prepare you for online transactions once your accounts are migrated to the UnionBank system. So open the application and select Sign Up with an existing account in the bottom. Now go through these terms and conditions, read them, and finally scroll down and click on this I agree that is highlighted in orange color. Once you tap on it, you will have to select your account type. I'm going to select account number. Now enter the 16-digit card number from your new UnionBank debit card or your existing Citi-branded credit card. Input the one-time password and you will receive through SMS, and then choose your UnionBank online user ID and password, and then select a profile name for your account and then click on submit and you're all set. So exciting new beginnings are just a tap away. Download the app and create your profile today to enjoy the banking that fits your lifestyle with UnionBank Online. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.